Welcome to another video on the channel. This is another video on low competition Fiverr gig. This Fiverr gig I'm about to review to you in this video is blowing up right now around the globe. There's a trend around this particular Fiverr gig I'm about to review to you in this video. I bet you if you jump on this trend right now, you make more money during this period that the trend is blowing up. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe here, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss any future video from me. So let's dive into the video right away. So this is the trend that is blowing up right now. You can see the trend is blowing up around the globe, around the world right now, and there's a massive trend for this particular gig in the United Kingdom, the Philippines, the United States, Canada, and Ireland. If you jump on this trend right now, you are going to make huge amounts of money. And what is a particular Fiverr gig that I'm talking about? It is the face masks. You know, due to the coronavirus and the COVID-19 something, there are a lot of demand for face masks around the globe. Due to the coronavirus and the COVID-19 and the lockdown and all the stuff around the coronavirus, you know that there's a lot of demand for face masks around the globe. And not just an ordinary face mask, people are looking for well designed and stylish face masks. If you look at this Fiverr gig right now, you find out that there are only 62 services available, meaning that this is a very low competition Fiverr gig. This is a Fiverr gig that is very low competition and in high demand right now. You can see the number of services delivered already. This is 90, this is 20, this is 36, this is 156 here, this is 58, this is 90, this is 68, this is 7. In fact, this is nothing. You can actually look at this design. This design is actually nice. You find out that people don't want to just wear the normal surgical or medical masks. They just want to wear these stylish masks all around. So if you go to list this gig on Fiverr right away, and you have the design skills to fulfill this particular Fiverr gig, I bet you make a lot of money. So let me give you an idea of how fast this mask is selling. If you go to redbubble.com, Redbubble is a website where artwork and designs are being sold. You notice that on the top here, they are just ranking the particular services that is selling the most. And look at on the top here, you have mask. You have masks here. So if we click into mask, to see what is possible, you find that look at all these stylish masks here. All these stylish masks. You find that the people who listed these services here, the people who are selling these masks, probably never did this design. They probably came on Fiverr and searched for a designer to actually design these masks for them. So that is where you come in. That is where you come in. You are coming in to design these masks for these people. If I look at how stylish all these masks. So if we go to see all here, so as to be able to see all the fake masks available on this website, you can see how stylish they are, and you can see this one is just a write-up. This is just a write-up. You can actually do all of these. You can actually do all of these. So if we click into one of these masks to see how it looks like, look at this, just a simple artwork that they just place on this website to generate this kind of, I know these are print on demand kind of products. So if we continue to go down, you see a lot of fake masks being sold on this website with several designs, and that is why this thing is blowing up. If you look at the Google trend, you can see the Google trend has crossed the 50 mark level. That is to tell you that it is going up and there is no sign of it actually coming down. There is no sign of it actually coming down. It is to continue to rise up until maybe middle of 2021. So if you go to this website, you see the designs they have here. See a lot of designs for face masks. So if you have any of these design skills, you can go and list out this particular gig on Fiverr right away. As I'm speaking, as I'm shooting this video, just click off, go and list this gig on Fiverr right away, and you make sales. Just implement Fiverr low competition research, keyword research, there is a video on my channel here, so watch this video so as to see how to do low competition keyword research on Fiverr. List this gig, and you can easily use a service known as Canva. You can easily use Canva to fulfill this service. You can actually use Canva to fulfill this service. So if you go to Canva and probably go with the logo design option, if you go to with the logo design option on Canva, you go to Canva, click on logo design, because these designs are tiny, so you can probably do it with a logo design this thing. So just click on logo design and select any of these design that suits you. Select any of these designs here and just swipe out the text you see on there. This should be a good one. If we select this one, if we select that particular one, you can just click into it and clean off this text. If you take away this text, you can just write what you want there. You can see that is it. Just write out what you want there, and you already start having a good looking design. You can actually move this thing around. You see, this thing can be moved around, so you can actually change the color here. Change the color to something like this, or red. Let's go with red. You can, or we'll go with blue. You can change the colors there. So that, if that will be that for. So if you can actually clean this one to anything you want, you can actually clean that one to, you can take away that to anything you want. So you can see that is just how easy it is to design this thing. So when you are done designing it, when you are done with your design, just hit the download button here and download it right away. If you download it right away, it gets downloaded to your computer, and you can easily deliver this service with the downloaded file to the person that ordered it for you from you. Or you can just go and sign on to this website right away. You can sign on, sign up and list, just put this your design on there and make money with it. So that is actually what I have for you in this video. I just wanted to show you how possible it is to actually make money with this Fiverr gig. So, but before I leave you on this video, I'll leave a link in the description below that will take you to a particular training that will teach you how to make money on Fiverr without actually doing the work. You make money on Fiverr as a middleman without doing the work. It doesn't require any special skill. It doesn't require any special commitment on your part. You just make money on Fiverr as a middleman. You get the money from the person that wants the particular service. Go to Fiverr to fulfill that service and take the difference in the price between what you were paid and what you paid for the service on Fiverr. So I'll leave a link in the description to that particular training. I enjoy you to go and watch that training. Outside that, there will be some videos up on the screen. Please click on those videos and you'll be you click on those. There will be some videos up on the screen. Please, those videos will take you to more trainings on this channel. And outside that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel so that I don't miss any future videos from me. So see you in my other video. Peace out, guys. I want to welcome you to this training known as Fiverrlicious. Fiverrlicious is an online training program that shows you how to actually make money on Fiverr without doing the work. You make money on Fiverr without doing the actual work. So this is a training that my friend Bobby actually put out. It shows you how my friend Bobby put in over $6,000 on Fiverr without doing any of the actual work. So if you check the link in the description below, it should bring you to this page. When you come to this page, you see that he actually made over $6,000 without actually doing the work. So he will show you where to buy certain Fiverr gigs for as low as $1 and flip these same Fiverr gigs on Fiverr for $5. And because you are not actually doing the work, when you get your orders on Fiverr, you use the service that is selling for $1 to fulfill that offer. So it's the same services you are listing on Fiverr, just that you are getting it from a place, a secret website where it is sold for $1, and you are selling it for a high markup as high as $5 on Fiverr. So anytime you get an order on Fiverr, you take the money and you order for the service on the secret website that where it is being sold for $1. So Fiverrlicious will show you exactly how to go about it. My friend has actually done a good job on this training, and it will show you how to go about it. This is a high quality training that show you how to copy and paste the exact strategy that Bobby, my friend, used to get incredible results in no time at all, even as a complete newbie. So you don't need to have any prior skill to this. You don't need to know how to actually make sale online. So just get Fiverrlicious and he will show you everything. So Bobby works full time. In fact, when I say full time, I mean full time. He works longer hours than anyone you know. Honestly, crazy shit up. He wakes up early in the morning and goes to his work, yet he was still able to make this kind of money. He has managed to crack the perfect little side income strategy to bring him some extra cash each week and only spend a maximum of 1 hour doing it. So he just spent 1 hour on this particular service and was able to pull in $6,000. So imagine what it would be like if you happen to do these things full time. So here was Bobby working a full-time job, but with 6 kids to support, he needed a little bit more. So that was what made Bobby to actually start doing this particular service on Fiverr. He was doing this kind of arbitrage service on Fiverr. So he had to think out of the box that I have 6 kids and I need more money to take care of these 6 kids. How do I go about it? So one day he thought he would go to Fiverr. He heard some of his mates talking about it and thought, okay, let him go to Fiverr and see what is happening. So when he landed on Fiverr, he saw the services being sold on Fiverr and he was able to stumble on a secret website where he gets the same services for as low as $1. So he just like, okay, let me list these same services on Fiverr and I'll make money. So with Fiverrlicious, you discover a simple way to list gigs on Fiverr that will not only be extremely popular, but that you can outsource for peanuts, yet deliver a high quality result time and time again. So that is what Fiverrlicious offers. So Fiverrlicious will turn you into a Fiverr expert in no time. So if you come here, listen to what Trevor has to say about the training, and I'm assuring you that this will be the best money you've ever spent online. So the links are in the description below. So just go to the description below and you see the links. Come here and place your order for Fiverrlicious. You can see testimonials by other people who has used this particular service. And I tell you, Fiverrlicious is a high quality training. So see you inside the Fiverrlicious members area. I'm believing that you find reasons to pick up this particular training if you want to scale your Fiverr business. Thank you, guys.